What's going on, everybody? How's everyone doing? Hopefully everybody's doing good. Today we'll be taking a look at the Keene A52 sluice box. This is by Keene Engineering out of California. Kind of want to go over three things in this video. First being the price of this, the second, the quality, and third, if I would recommend it to anyone. So without further ado, kind of break it down and explain it all to you. You can pick this box up off of the Keene Engineering website for $129.99. There's going to be shipping on it, but they do not charge tax, at least if you're buying it in Ohio, having it shipped there. I don't have to pay tax on it. There is a $5 handling fee. So to the door, I got this sluice box for $155 and some change. The dimensions of this is 10 by just under, a little under 51, and the sides are 4 inches high. The flare is 16, and it is, I believe, a little under 18 inches wide. The actual box itself is 36. I don't know if I can get that on there or not. There. The actual box itself is 36. We've got a nice heavy duty latches here. We'll go ahead and take them off. And this is a nice zinc coated riffle board tray, on what you call that, I guess. I call it a riffle board. It's nicely zinc coated. It's got two different kinds of riffles in here. As you can see, these are more straight up, and this is kind of like a Z-bar there. Very nicely well put together. Then we have some expanded raised metal, and that is actually zinc coated as well. And if you look real quick here, this only goes in the box one way. You can see the raised part kind of points up towards the flare. If you put it back the other way like this, your water is going to get in there and just blow your gold out, and you're not going to have a good experience at all. So just one thing to note. Under that expanded metal, we have a ribbed miner's carpet. This is what Keene puts in a lot of their different boxes, and that's all that's in there. There's actually a nice handle here with countersunk screws. Nice aluminum handle, and it's level, balanced well, so nice and easy to carry. The actual box itself, all put together, weighs less than 12 pounds. I know it's pretty crazy, but it's pretty durable. This is not the first Keene A52 box I've actually had. I had this same box inside of a 2-inch dredge with the jet flare adapter and the jet flare on it, and that worked great. This back in here. The quality of the aluminum, this is 063 aluminum. It's either 3003, 5052, but it actually might even be 6062. I'm not 100% sure on the series of aluminum, but it is 063 thickness. I mean, it's not the thickest aluminum, but it does its job, and surprisingly it's pretty durable. Nice heavy duty latches. Really simple to clean the box out and get it set up. I highly recommend it. It's a high quality product. It's very versatile. You can kind of build onto it or customize it any way you want. Keene Engineering sells power sluice adapters, Highbanker adapters, hoppers. You know, you can get the jet flare and adapter, and you can put it into a dredge setup. Very versatile. I highly recommend it for anybody getting into the prospecting that is having a hard time finding something. I mean, you're not going to beat it for the price. So again, yes, I do highly recommend it. It's worth it. If you have to save up for it, I mean, it's totally worth it. You can get some legs for it, and makes it a little easier to set up. They do sell a few different leg kits on Keene Engineering as well, so that's something to look into. I will be doing another video of this where I'm going to actually take out this ribbed carpet here and the expanded metal, and I will be putting in deep V-groove rubber matting. It's actually a little bit deeper than this stuff that comes in it. I mean, I'm going to leave this, but replace the green stuff with deep V-groove matting and replace the expanded metal right there for some gray miner's moss. I've actually had that set up in my dredge, and it works great for the fine gold. Only thing I did when I received this is I took it out of the box, put these 7 bolts in here, 3 on the bottom and 2 on each side, and I went ahead and took me some clear silicone and ran it around here. And I guess it wasn't completely necessary. However, when I put the flare onto the box, it left little tiny pinholes where it didn't really quite seal up real well, kind of on the corners there, but kind of fixed that up, and I'm sure Keene Engineering would recommend that. However, they send these separately, so you can't really glue it together and do that. It just wouldn't work out right. So that's gonna wrap the video up here. This is the Keene A52 sluice box. Highly recommend it. Super oversized jet flare there, or not jet flare, just a regular old flare. All right, that's gonna make it into this video here. At this point, I'm just rambling on. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Next video, I'll be putting some miner moss and ribbed carpet in it. So thanks for watching. Dalton's Garage signing out. We'll see you next time. Happy prospecting. Have a good one.